Hello, today in Creative Crafts we will be making a bird feeder. And today I have my helper, my nephew Cooper.
Hi.
And the supplies that you need are a toilet paper roll, some bird seed, peanut butter, 2 sticks, a ribbon or string, and a plate. And the first thing we're going to do is tie our ribbon on. And as you can see, this toilet paper roll has 2 holes on top and 4 holes on the bottom, and we hole punch them. So what we're going to do is take the ribbon and put it through the 2 holes on top. And then we're going to tie it into a knot. There. That's how that. And then we have another one here for Cooper. So, and our next step is we're going to put the peanut butter on. Now this can get kind of messy. So let's put our toilet paper roll on top of our plate. And then we're going to get our peanut butter ready. And what you're going to do is spread it all over your toilet paper roll. So what you could do is stick the ribbon in your toilet paper roll and kind of hold it like this with your fingers inside. And grab your peanut butter and you're going to spread it above the 4 holes. So don't go beyond the 4 holes. So grab some peanut butter and start spreading. And try to lay it on nice and thick. If you get some on your ribbon or string, that's okay. Just lay it on nice and thick.
You
can put a lot on there, Cooper. There, mine is on nice and thick. Ooh, it smells like peanut. Okay, then once you're done, you're going to put it back on your plate. I'm going to turn it a little bit. Get your hands out, please. Is it stuck? There, here, put some more on there. Get more peanut butter, please. There you go. There, I'll help my assistant here a little bit. There you go. Some more.
This may take a few seconds.
Yeah, you're doing just fine. There, that's good. Okay, we're gonna stand it up now, just like that. Set this aside. Are you eating the peanut butter? Here, wipe your hands. It can get a little messy, so you might need a washcloth. Here, thank you. So the next thing we're gonna do, okay, let's take our toilet paper roll and set it aside. And we're gonna put some bird seed on our plate. A lot of bird seed. Okay, and then you're gonna take your toilet paper roll and you're gonna roll it in there, nice and thick. Just roll it in so it's all covered with bird seed.
This reminds me of ice cream.
Ice cream?
Like that.
Oh, those drumsticks?
Yeah.
With all the nuts on top?
Yeah.
Ooh, this is a perfect treat for the bird feeders. Look at that. This looks really good. So next, when you're done with the bird seed, we're gonna set the plates aside and stand it up again. And then we're gonna grab our sticks.
Yeah.
So Cooper, if you could put the stick in there, I'll hold yours for you. There you go. And then I'm going to try the other stick. So we put the sticks in the 4 holes on the bottom. So there you go. And then the birds can sit on the sticks and enjoy their treat that we made. So go outside and find a perfect place for it, whether it's on a tree or on a tree, and let the birds enjoy their treat from us. So thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.